So let's try that. So I'm going to go on page number 14, and there's a point number 10. I'll go back to Postman and change the method from put to get. That means we'll be getting some values out of M2X. And at the very end of the URI, I'll change the value to values, which means we'll be getting multiple values and we'll be getting them out of M2X. When I send this request, if everything is right, I should be getting JSON object in return that shows me the values I have posted so far. So you can see I posted 2 twice and 15 once, and here is the timestamp. If you look at the timestamp, it's in UTC. Every timestamp we are sending and receiving to M2X are always in UTC. If your local clock source doesn't work on UTC, you have to convert to proper time zone. One thing you might have noticed, if I go back to M2X, it will show me the correct time. It knows that it's 1342. The reason is M2X detects what time zone your browser is using and returns you the data adjusted to the time zone.
How does it do that? From the router?
Oh, no, there are actually HTTP headers. Whenever you send a request from the browser, one of the HTTP headers have the time zone. It could be just small info, there could be just PDT, and it knows that that you are in a passive Pacific. If you triple that out, it will be in UTC. So that's for the getting values from M2X. Sorry, I'll go first.
Or hours?
Whatever you want.
The limit, it means by default when you place the icon, it will return only thousands of values.
See, it's called a Firebase. Yeah, so it's a whole suite of store data, database, image file. It's a little difficult to get over that initial hump, but it's pretty user. I'll mention that. Keep your head around it.
I had one question. What does the limit 1000 mean here? If you can see at the very top, there is a limit 1000. M2X is trying not to overload your communications by default, so if you have more than 1000 values, it will return only the first 1000 values. And then you can use extra parameters in API code to specify, hey, I want to get another 1000 values. So that's the way how to not overload your capacity or not use too much of your data if you're doing this over LTE. So if you all got your data from M2X, we will start playing with the device. But before we do so, I will ask Alex if he can give us a brief introduction to TI products.